PNP Sports.
Tayo at least sa number 1 slot. Right now, tatlo tayo naglalaban ng magandang posisyon dito, Japan at Costa Rica. So kailan talagang talunin rin natin itong Thailand.
Taon yung iba pang mga players to show their wares in this competition.
Well,
Medyo maaga po ang schedule ng laro ng PBA Centennial Squad against the national team of Thailand. Kanya medyo sparse pa yung crowd natin dito sa Taipei Physical Education College Municipal Stadium. At maya-maya, dadami rin po yan. Itong Thailand, ito yung tinalo ng Japan ng 18 points, Dr. J.
kaya hindi natin pwede matahin itong team na ito dahil alam naman natin nahirapan tayo sa Japan kahapon. So I'm sure that the boys is going to give us a very big effort at the beginning.
Narito po ang ating starting unit. Itong umpisahan ni Coach Tim Cohn para sa larong ito, Dr. J.
Different look ang binigay ni Coach Tim Kong. We have Johnny Abarientos and Olsen Rosella in the backcourt. Alan Kaidik will play small forward.
Meantime, we just saw Dilip Rai of Thailand score on a fast break play. Ayan si Marlo Aquino. At ito si Alan Kaidik. It's a PLDT long distance shot from right corner to the trigger
Ang team nila.
Samantala, narito naman si Alan Kaidik talaga naman naglalagot dito sa umpisa ng PBA Centennial sa pag-uumpisa po nitong labang ito against Thailand. There goes Alan Kaidik again. Flawless shooting by Alan Kaidik, and that was a PLDT long-distance shot. Well, ano nangyayari? Olsen Rosella, binigyan na naman kay Alan Kaidik. Binabas kay Johnny Abarientos. Here's Marlo Aquino at high post.
Kasi ano yung mga fouls.
Ayun na naman si Alan Kaidik from the corner. That one looked like a goaltending violation. And it's Dilip Rai acknowledging that. Pababa na talaga yan. Kitang-kita naman.
Pag Dilip Rai, alam natin, naaalala ko yan, he's like an expatriate of yung mga Findo Descent that's living in Thai. Ayun yan, may nagtatrabaho ko, wala yung mga odo.
Yung mga pwede, nakikita naman natin, marami rin nagsidalo dito sa larong ito. Olsen Rosella comes up with a fast break play and a nice smile from Olsen.
That's a great fast break. Very well executed. 3-on-2 situation. Point guard in the middle and 2 guys on the wings. Easy 2 points.
And a look-away pass by Johnny Abarientos to his fellow point guard, Olsen Rosella, who's playing the big guard position. Thailand by 18 points. At yung Japan naman, pinalo natin in overtime. We had to have an extra 5-minute extension para talunin ang Japan. Talagang may sarili silang coverage. Yes. Mukhang, well, actually, pwedeng Pilipina, pwedeng tayo yun.
Tingin ko Pilipino. And at the same time, sana alam natin ang pangalan niya as we take another long-distance shot here by Alan Kaidig, all net. Yung para malaman.
Aquino taps the ball, picked up by Olsen Rosella. Fast break na naman. Here's Jeffrey Carriazo finishing it off for the PBA Centennials.
Come back and play the transition defense. Ganyan naman ang taktik ni Marlo Aquino. Takbuhan na naman ito, Ed.
Sabagay, nakababa kagad ang Thailand sa depensa. Fancy pass by Alan Kaidik. Natapik pero napulot na ni Jeffrey Carriazo.
Assist kaya para kay Alan Kaidik yun dahil dumaan muna sa isang kalaban. Gusto niya talagang pumasok palabas, bumalik doon, napunta kay Jeffrey.
Okay rin. Pwede rin yan. Okay, so Jeffrey Carriazo, ito talaga naman binubuhos na naman ng Pilipin.
Pinalitan niya siguro si Marlo Aquino. Saksak ni Olsen Rosella.
The handoff to June Limpot. And picked up by Carriazo. Here's Olsen Rosella. Back again to Jeffrey Carriazo to June Limpot. Limpot out to Alan Kaidik. And the PLDT long-distance shot.
Masyadong mainit talaga si Alan. Saka he's one of the few players in our team that pag binigyan mo ang bola, parang snapshot.
This is it. Pero nakuha muli ng Pilipinas. Narito si Olsen Rosella calling the shots in the backcourt. Carriazo. Jumper is no good. EJ foul. Whoops. Ayun, pumasok. Ito EJ foul.
May kasama pang foul yata doon. So possible 3-point play. Tuwang-tuwang ating mga kababayan. Halos hindi tumatulong si EJ 5. Tinataas lang yung kamay. Nakukuha yung offensive rebound. Ayan,
Yan, isa-isang kamay lang ang pinagagawin ko ni EJ File. At ayun, halos 3-4 ang kalaban niyang mga taga-Thailand doon. And EJ File, para doon si Kenneth Durendes. Sinalubong kagad ang depensa ng Thailand. Back to Durendes. Ay si EJ File. Yes! Basket will count. At meron na namang foul na nakakuha itong si EJ File. And I think we're gonna see that here in our McDonald's slow-mo. McDonald's, proud sponsor of the PBA Centennial Team.
Well, Ed, nakita natin dito nag-make up.
At narito ngayon ang Pilipinas na naman, 3 against 2. Magandang pasahan on the break. And Berhel Meneses is fouled, or rather Jeffrey Carriazo called for the offensive foul.
We're gonna see that on our slow-mo. Yung balik na pasa kay Jeffrey, he comes in, slams
Ayun.
against the defender. That's gonna be an offensive foul call. In amateur, they'll always call that in the amateur game.
Well, hindi rin pumasok yung tira ni Berhel, pero